I feel like what happens sometimes is we neglect that most of our learning does happen outside the classroom.
Let's hear a shout if you guys want your extracurricular activities back.
I tried to make it on the improv team for 4 years. I finally made it and it's canceled. So how am I supposed to compete for the improv team?
This year I was trying out for the ski team, and due to this teacher's strike, they've cut all extracurricular activities, and I haven't been able to pursue skiing, and it's really upsetting.
I've been involved with OT robotics. I started being interested in engineering this year. So robotics is a really good way to start the push into engineering for university.
I just started OT this year and I was really excited to do extracurriculars. All my teachers and everything, all due respect, but I think this is the best thing that we can do for ourselves.
We're going to win OFSA this year. This year we're going to win OFSA, but they canceled extracurriculars. We need to play rugby. No!
Next year is our final year of field hockey, and we really don't want it to be canceled. So we like really hard to happen.
And we're part of the OT swim team. It was starting to get a lot of fun. We've had 2 meets, 2 official meets. We were about to go to Halton this week, but according to the teacher strike, unfortunately, extracurriculars have been put on hold for the moment. Our coach really wants to actually coach us on the swim team, but she can't because of this mandate by the OSSTF.
We're all in grade 12, and
we're all Link crew leaders.
We think that Link Crew is one of the most important programs. We're best friends now, and we met in a Link Crew group in grade 9.
Crew, like, we push for, right at the beginning of the year, we tell you guys to get involved, all the grade 9s that are coming in to join extracurriculars, and like now that they're canceled, we can't even be pushing them to become a community part or anything.
That stuff's gone because yeah.
So we want it back.
We want it back.
Yeah, we want it back. The reason why I'm protesting is because I play a lot of sports at OT, volleyball and rugby, and I'd hate to see them like go away and everything. And like I understand why the teachers are striking, but like it shouldn't affect the students the way it has been. And everything's being taken away of what makes it a high school, so that's why I'm doing it.
Part of Model UN, and it's really important to me because it helped me develop communication skills and helped me expand my networking.
With the teacher strike, we're really going to miss OT tennis. I love the boys. I love playing tennis once a week, and boys are going to miss it.
We need DECA because most of the team made provincials this year after an exceptional year at regionals.
Last year, unfortunately, because of swimming, I wasn't able to go to provincials, but this year I qualified and I really want to go. And it would just suck to be cancelled and to not go for my final year.
We are the RDC execs for OTHS for this school year.
Throughout the year so far, we've been planning all the events that the school runs, and at this moment, now they've all come to a stall.
We have a lot more planned, so...
And all the ones that we've run so far have been really successful, and we want to continue that success for all of the students on the team.
We have many plans for the future, and we really don't want to let all of our hard work to go to waste.
Hi, I'm Victoria. I'm Neha.
I'm Alex.
I'm Caitlin.
I'm Ian.
And we are the organizers for the student strike.
We started it because us, like everyone else in the school, almost 3 in 4 kids are involved in so many aspects of the school, be it sports or clubs or Relay for Life, and we wanted to bring everyone together just to show how upset we are that we're being dragged into this issue.
Our message is pretty neutral. We don't want to say that we're taking sides with either the OSSTF or the government, but we're just saying that as students we don't feel that we should be dragged into this dispute at all.
I think that it's really important to make sure that everyone is getting represented and everyone realizes how important this issue is.
We would like to thank all the students and teachers who helped make today such a great success.
Our goals for today was to try to get the teacher union and the government to come together and to continue talks so we can get back to our extracurriculars as soon as possible, and hopefully we'll be able to do that together.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.